Today, I'm thrilled to present this meticulously maintained, custom-built coastal retreat featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 refreshing baths, and 1,136 square feet of seaside comfort. Nestled on a generous 12,500 square foot lot, this home offers ample room for both indoor and outdoor entertaining, making it the perfect oasis for your coastal lifestyle. As we step inside, you'll notice the welcoming interior with an open concept design. Cathedral ceilings, custom kitchen cabinets, and beautiful wood floors. The primary bedroom is truly impressive, featuring a large ensuite bath that offers a private and comfortable retreat. Additionally, there are 2 well-sized bedrooms that provide plenty of space for family or guests. One of the highlights of this home is the large top-level sun deck and the covered porch. These spaces are perfect for enjoying stunning sunsets and outdoor relaxation. This attached 1-car garage presents a fantastic opportunity for expansion and renovation. Imagine transforming this space into a heated living area, perfect for a game room, flex room, home gym, or craft room. The separate exterior storage room provides ample space for all your needs, making it easy to keep your home clutter-free. Centrally located and just a short stroll to a lifeguarded beach access accompanied with showers and baths. Located on a quiet street just steps away from the boat ramp leading into the Albemarle Sound, this home offers both tranquility and accessibility. With voluntary HOA dues of $50 annually and $100 for the use of the boat ramp, this home is an incredible value. Priced to sell, 123 Bombay Drive is an exceptional opportunity to own a piece of paradise in Double Hills. Contact me today for a private showing of this beautiful home. Let's make it yours. And for more 411 on the Outer Banks, please don't forget, like and subscribe below. Thank you for joining. Have a great day.